Good Tuesday, everyone. Our USA mortgage level of concern, level 1. We'll be level 1 today for some gusty northwest winds, pretty similar to what we had yesterday. And so we won't call this a meteorologist mark weather alert day. That has to be level 2 or higher, but do be mindful of some very gusty northwest winds. Premier generators bringing us our threat outlook, and not looking at anything too incredibly concerning at this time. But I will let you know that starting this weekend, things are going to start getting very active across the southern plains and the lower Mississippi River Valley. And some of that stuff may impact us on Saturday. Right now, that's rather unclear. And it's also looking like maybe that most of that will stay to our west, but it's really close. It's very similar to the last time where we had all that activity just to our west. So it's something to be mindful of, something to pay attention to. I know a lot of you all have weekend plans because it is Easter. It's a holiday weekend, but I do want you to at least remember that we are in the peak of severe weather season, and so we need to be mindful of that. Clearview Closet and Blind brings us our 5-day forecast. It's sunny today and tomorrow. No weather worries. Just some stiff breezes today, but tomorrow those winds die down. Today we're in the upper 50s. Tomorrow we're in the low 60s. Thursday we jump up to the upper 60s. And then for Good Friday, looking partly cloudy. Southwest winds 10 gusting to 30. So it's going to be another windy day, but surely to goodness we're used to that by now. Highs in the upper 70s. It's a very warm Good Friday. And then Saturday, we've got southwest winds at 10 gusting to 20, and we got a chance for showers and thunderstorms. Now that's a low chance. You see that there, 30%. But we're going to be near 80 degrees, and the atmosphere is going to be unstable. So any storm that does develop may be capable of becoming severe. That's what we got to kind of keep an eye on. Upper Cumberland Ferro Credit Union bring us our rainfall graphic, and look at this. It is dry, and even Saturday, generally 1/10 of an inch or less. It just depends on if you get a storm or not, basically. So we'll keep an eye on that. Looking at our extended threat outlooks, just got those gusty winds today. Got some more gusty winds coming Good Friday, and then we've got the possible storm threat on Saturday, and unfortunately, it looks like that storm threat may carry over into Easter Sunday. Right now, the weekend is looking trivial, so just stay tuned for updates. And might not be the best sunrise services, but who knows? We'll see. We're still several days away from that, and things can change. So I'll just keep an eye on things for you. Looking at our On This Day in Weather History, brought to us by Bramble Travel. 1921, 2 Mile High Silver Lake, Colorado received 76 inches of snow in 24 hours. That is the heaviest 24-hour record for North America. The storm left a grand total of 87 inches in 27 and a half hours. Wow, so lucky. 1958, a tornado 300 yards in width skipped along a 5-mile path near Frostproof, Florida. A 2,500-gallon water tank was found 1 mile from its original position, but they do note that it is not known how much water was in that tank, because that would be even more impressive. 2001, high winds toppled the Still Radio Tower for WGNS AM. The tower was built in 1946 and stood 328 feet tall. It was Murfreesboro's tallest structure. Damage to the tower is estimated at $250,000 to $500,000. It's going to be a lot more than that today. You folks have a wonderful Tuesday, and keep looking up for more weather information. To keep up with all this crazy weather, just keep it right here to Meteorologist Mark.